Hey Freedom Crusaders, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pimp your emails with a signature like this. This is an email I sent out and I created a signature here with my photo and info, email address, website and my socials, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. How can you build it? You can go to mysignaturehound.com. It's a free website. You just have to sign in and you can create your own signature. Just click on create a new signature, and if you're ready, it looks like this. On the left hand side you can put here your personal info, your profile image. You can change the size, and you can put in your name, then your job title, digital marketing expert, wherever you want. Then you can put your email address. Then you go to business info. You feel free to drag a logo, didn't do that. I acted my email, my domain, my website, and in the next section you can put in your social links to your social platforms. Just copy the link, maybe Facebook, and put it in here, there, clickable there. Yeah. Then you can design it, you can change the theme color of all things here, title color, link color. You can totally change everything. Just look that it looks good, and you can do whatever you want. Maybe you can add a call to action, but I didn't do that. If you're ready, then just click on install signature, and you can copy the signature as source code, and then you can put it in wherever you want, whatever you're using, maybe an autoresponder or something. Okay, if you like this, leave me a comment there. If you need more details about creating the signature or put it in your emails, just leave me a comment, and maybe you check out my website, how to get money online, watch my YouTube channel, leave me a like or a comment there. That's it. Bye for now.